Welcome to Peedi, your smart WhatsApp store assistant. Let's get your store up and running in just a few simple steps. To begin, open your browser and go to store.peedi.io. This is where your Peedi store onboarding starts. Once the page loads, you'll see the welcome screen. You can log in using your phone number, Facebook, or Google account. In this video, we'll show you how to log in using your phone number. Simply enter your phone number and tap Continue. Verify your number using the OTP sent via SMS. WhatsApp. Quick setup with Meta. Select WhatsApp as your platform. Once WhatsApp is selected, click Next to continue. Click Connect WhatsApp Business to begin quick setup with Meta. You'll be redirected to Meta Login. Continue using your Facebook account to proceed. Click Get Started to continue. Now, fill in your business information. Select or create a business portfolio. Enter your business name, website or profile page, and country. Click Next to proceed. Set up your WhatsApp business profile. Enter your WhatsApp business account name and display name. Choose the category that best describes your business. Click Next once completed. Your account will now begin connecting. This may take a few moments. Once connected, click Finish. Now you'll be redirected back to Peedi. Confirm your WhatsApp phone number to complete the integration. Click Confirm to proceed. Enter your business information. Add your business name, owner name, and a short description. This helps customers and the AI assistant understand your business. Now, add your contact details. Enter your business email address and phone number. This is how customers and Peedi can reach you. Click Next to proceed. Address and regional settings. Next, enter your business address. Add street address, city, state, and PIN code. Your country, currency, and time zone are auto-detected. Click Next to continue. Final step. Now, review your business summary. Once everything looks good, click Create Business. Enter your store name and choose the category that best fits your business. Click Save and Continue. Dashboard. Setup complete. Welcome to your Peedi Dashboard.